Hello everyone. Today myself Sunil Kumar Jaiswal, solution specialist in manufacturing at Capricorn Technology, bringing you to our weekly Tech Tuesday. Today topic is how to use automated modeling in Fusion 360. Ah, Capricorn Technology, a Win0 company and a partner of choice for the AEC industry, is one of the biggest platinum partner of Autodesk and Bentley. Along with authorized training center, we have 300 plus inspired team members. Capricorn is just serving over 20,000 customers in AEC and associated industries. As well as Capricorn is a now part of Archons Group. So today I would like to present automated modeling, and we recently announced automated modeling, a new tool in the design workspace. Automated modeling introduces an entirely new way to create a geometry powered by the technology and concept in generative design. As you explore this brand new design tool, we have gathered some of our top tips and tricks to be successful. So let's move mm, into the Vision 360 software, and we will see how to use automated modeling. So as we can see that this is my Fusion 360 screen, and suppose we have this features, and we will use automate modeling, and we will create a some component. Suppose we want to add this these three faces, and we want to uh, create a uh, some unique components. So just go to the automated modeling, and here after clicking automated modeling here, this window will come. Here we have faces to connect, bodies to avoid. So first of all, we have to click faces to connect, and we want to connect these three faces. So select one by one, and bodies to avoid. So in bodies to avoid, I am selecting this features. Okay, and operation, we want to create a new body. So selected new body option and generate shapes. So after clicking generate shape, this Fusion 360 software will show you different type of alternative feature which you want to add in this uh, already designed uh, features. So just we will see there is a different alternative Fusion 360 will show, and as per my requirement we can choose as we yes, as we required. We can choose different alternative here. Suppose if I choose alternative one, then we can see the segment will be created like this. Suppose I want to choose this option, then it will create look like this. Alternative 3, you can see different option is there. Suppose this last option, just I want to choose. So it will automatic generate it through the automated modeling. Just click on the OK button, and we will see it will create a component as we want. So you can see this will preview. We can see that this. So you can create through automated modeling different type of feature you can create. Just uh, I was showing a example how to use automated modeling. So hope you like this video. And so guys, for more videos and update, do subscribe our channel Capricorn Technology Private Limited, and like and comment if you like the Tech Tuesday video. And we would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for any suggestion, query, or topic you would want to discuss. So see you next week. Take care. Bye bye.